Hey everybody, welcome back to Trav and Truck Show. Here's your host, Christopher Motherfucking McCoy. Today, we have a drill in hand. Now, to get that roof out, I had to sit on it and break it apart piece by piece and literally yank it out. It took about an hour and a half. So today, what I need out is I need these rivets. So what you're gonna do is get a drill. Make sure it is metal certified. This is titanium. It's supposed to work on metal. Then you're gonna put it in there. You're gonna till it cuts it out. I don't know if y'all can see. It's okay. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oops. But it should make a hole. Then you're out. Then you move on to the next one. What is going on in this one? I don't know. Move on to the next one. It's gonna be hard. So then we're gonna step it up. Switching gears. So I can see. Where's that? Boom. And that's how quickly you do it. Then you'll take a hammer. Where's my hammer? Wait, let me hang this up. Figured out that's what that clip's for. So then you take your little hammer. And then on the hammer. And then we go back on the inside. And just like that, it's out. Go to the next one. Where's it at? Here. Did I get it? Of course not. There you go. And just like that, you're moving rivets with a drill bit and a hammer. I'll see y'all soon. Peace out.